Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer paprika chicken thighs. If you're looking to switch some flavors around in your chicken, then you want to try this recipe out. Let's jump right in. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy air fryer recipes every week. Also make sure to check out my air fryer playlist. I have more than 30 recipes that I've put together for you, and I'll link that below in the description box. Let's jump right in. So we are going to start first by washing our chicken. I just have my chicken thighs in here. I'm using the bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, about 7 of them in there. And I have some water. I'm just going to add some white vinegar. This here, I do use vinegar or lemon to wash my chicken properly. It just helps clean the chicken properly and also helps it better absorb the seasoning as well. So I'm just gonna let this sit in the water for about 5 minutes and then I'll wash it properly. So our chicken has been washed properly and I just put them on this cutting board right here and I line them on a paper towel. I'm also going to go in with another paper towel and I'll just dry the chicken. To just dry, you want to make sure that you dry off any water, any moisture properly from your chicken. If you want to get it really crispy, you have to do that. Okay, and once this is done, I just like to go in with my scissors and my knife. I just like to go in and just remove any excess fat that's on the chicken, on the thigh. I also use my scissors and I just cut this left. These ones that are hanging. I'll just cut it off. Oops. And then I'm also going to open up the skin a little bit like this because we will want our seasoning to go all the way into the skin of the chicken. Make sure you don't open it all the way through, just on an opening that you are able to let the seasoning penetrate the chicken properly. Okay, so our chicken has been prepped. I'm just going to clean up really quick and then we'll move on to seasoning. So once again, please make sure to check the description box. I'm going to link all the ingredients that I'm using and their measurements. So for our ingredients, we are going to start first with our paprika. This is going to be paprika chicken. So obviously paprika is going to be the star of the show. I have here 1 tablespoon of paprika. And the next I'm going to do some smoked paprika as well. I love the flavor of smoked paprika. We have our smoked paprika in, and I'm going to go next with some cayenne pepper. Now this is optional. If you want it kicking a little bit, you can add it. If you don't, then do not add the cayenne pepper in there. Next I'll go in with some onion powder, garlic powder. I'm going to also do some roasted garlic. I'll do a little bit of chicken bouillon seasoning, always to taste, just about half a teaspoon, and then some salt. Make sure to always do your salt to taste. I'm just going to go ahead and just mix everything up to combine. Seasoning is all mixed up, as you can see. This is how it's looking. I'm just going to set this to the side and then I'll bring our chicken over. I'll do some fresh cracked black pepper in there. I'm going to do some extra virgin olive oil. Now the oil is going to help our seasoning to really hold well on our chicken. So not too much oil, just a little bit, maybe about 1 teaspoon of oil should be good enough. And then next I'm going in with our seasoning. Hands have been clean. I'm just going to go in with my hands and just mix everything properly to combine. And I'm going to open up the chicken on the skin like this and just make sure that the seasoning gets all the way inside. Like this. Just make sure that you coat every part of your chicken with the seasoning. Okay, like so. Okay, it's been properly. You can see I just have my air fryer basket right here, and I'm going to arrange the chicken in the basket. I'll do it skin facing down first before we are going to flip it halfway through. So I did that skin facing down like I mentioned before, and make sure you don't overcrowd your basket. If you want your chicken to really have that crispy skin, don't overcrowd. Make sure all your chicken is touching the basket so that it can crisp up really well. And I'm going to select the chicken. I have a chicken preset button. It comes 380 for 25 minutes. I'm going to cook it for the first 15 minutes, and then we will check after 15 minutes to see how it's doing. So our chicken has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm just going to check on it right now. You can see. And we will go ahead and just flip it so that it can cook for the remainder of the 10 minutes. So just go ahead to flip this over. Okay, our chicken has been flipped. We'll see after 10 minutes if we have the crisp that we are looking for, or if we need to increase the time again. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, and let's check. This is just so perfect. Oh my goodness. Can you see that crispy skin? Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. Join the family and you are so welcome. Make sure you turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy air fryer recipes every week, so you do not miss a thing. Until I come your way next time with something healthy, delicious in the air fryer, please continue to stay healthy, be well. Bye.